transformation coach, mind power trainer, a theta healer, and recently I've written my first book, which is called Accept, Allow, Release: Learning the Art of Letting Go. And through my training academy, with my team and my father, we have done about 450 plus training programs and workshops, mainly for corporates. And during this journey as a transformation coach, I became unstoppable because of one factor in my life. In 2017, I took my train the trainer training from Rise Academy, Sunil Parekh sir, and that was a turning point. And I was there, I was getting offers from the companies to do workshops out of my city, which is New Delhi. And that's when sir had come and I taken part in Train the Trainer. I realized that how from the scale from where I was working and how I reached to next level, where I attracted more clients, continuous flow of work, setting growth mindset, and become unstoppable. And I see that journey as a turning point in my life when Sunil Parekh sir had come. And you at times you need a hand holding, and Sunil Parekh sir was that mentor for me, that how at different times I would need healing. So there was a healing workshop, how to through the millionaire mindset workshop, then I became a growth mindset, and how I attracted abundance in my life. So thanks to Sunil Parekh sir and Rise Academy, and with him we did few workshop at Tihar jail as well. And whatever I thought, and be it my NGO, I started getting more clients, and continuous flow of work through NGO also. And now we are setting up a 50-bedded hospital in my native place. So all this could happen because of the workshops and the training that I have undergone. And during the COVID phase, which kind of hit me very badly, my whole spiritual journey and the training, the modalities that I practice, all the practices that I do really came to my rescue. And it has never been looking back. And my kids also now doing well post-COVID. And all the things that I've learned during this my learning journey, a lot of things that I had to unlearn and relearn. And because of that one anchor in my life, where through sir I had learned a lot of things, and I, with my gratitude and folded hand, I would just want to say thanks to sir. That has been a continuous journey. So I would just think of a goal and I would tick mark. Just last year, as I mentioned, that I had written my first book. It was my desire to have series of workshop in Rishikesh, and between last year and now we have done 9 workshops in Rishikesh. So basically what I'm trying to say is the success journey starts by having a successful mentor in your life, and Sunil Parekh sir was one that anchor that really helped me in this journey. And so now the workshop is coming up for Train the Trainer. I would invite you to kindly take part in it and be unstoppable. So this workshop basically is also for people who are from training background, people who are from education background, educators, business heads, healers, even people who want to help other people in this journey. So this is a great opportunity for you to take Train the Trainer program with Sunil Parekh sir, and it's going to be a game changer, definitely. And how you would attract success in this lifetime, how you can break beliefs and set up successful patterns in your life. So this is it. Go for it. Take part in Train the Trainer with Sunil Parekh sir, and I wish you all the best. All the best.